Hello guys, Cool Caesar, and today I just built the nether and the portal. And yes, you could go inside, see? So first we'll go here. Well, you could see it's another portal with the mend. And I do what the heck is going on. Yeah, it's kind of a mini one. So this is their hideout, probably. So yeah, that's the nether, and I have to go to sleep. While I'm doing that, I have to delete on my recording, so just ignore the interruption. Because the recording takes lots of memory, so just pretend like nothing is happening. Wonder. Oh wait, I only have one recording. Never mind. Guys. Make it some more fire. I could survive on lava. Hey, I'm trying to get out. Okay, now we're going to the end portal. Let's say nether. Whoa! And as you can see, we actually have ender. And there's actually end stone. So as you can see. Oh no, this one is not going to be so safe. I put my torches. Okay, there we go. Now we're back to normal. So yeah, I did actually like size. I made them. I mean, you could just make your own creation and then you'll be done. It's like here, and then like that purple thing like in the real nether portal. I just put some purple wool and then you fall down. And I have no idea what the heck is there to me. Oh no, oh no, what the heck is wrong with me? I start attacking. Yep, they're starting attacking. I did it by accident, bro. Why don't you two just get out? Yep, they're attacking, so yeah. And they are attacking, so you can just use your little thing and make what you just want. Like I made this end portal, or nether portal, and I made this nether portal. No, I'm gonna get confused by those because they both have the word portal. So yeah, you can make your own thing. You can make your own end portal. The guy did actually put the end stone But I'm kind of warning you. Actually, not warning. It might take hours to make, guys. I'm serious. It took me 2 hours making these two because once you build them, you just and like once you build the portal, you just randomly don't like end the nether or end portal. So you have to take the dirt stone or the okay. You have to take the dirt stone and this. No, not that one. This and this, and then you have to put some netherrack and pigment and spawn zombie pigments and have and steel. Wait, I think I saw something messed up. And yep, they're starting to attack and the lava because as you could see there's a lava on stone block. I don't know if you could see it goes to pigment. And I'm gonna prove it to you that I built these guys. I don't know if you saw that earlier, that I destroyed something. So look. See? It's actually stone. Not like in the real Minecraft on the computer. So I have to put some endstone and that. Look at that. I built it last night. Yeah, this is kind of cool. No mods, no anything. But as you could see, and portal's not here. But to get the end portal, this is what you have to do. Get something from the items of creative or survival. And then download the app. Copy it. Okay, I'm just taking this off. Then add it to your world. And it's just this one. I left Embry. Then get this browser and portal over, and then once you've done that, go back. I was 0.5 and I took at least 100 me. Then we'll close off. And then you might want to go back to Minecraft. Then go to your world. You have to wait to load. But what heck am I? See? And then you have the end portal. So, and then create it. You could create how you want it. I created it like so. Yeah, as you can see, there's 2 nether portals we're trying to make. So yeah, like that. So you have to make it like this or like this or how much you want. But if I were you guys, I'll just make it like that. For my opinion, I like it better like that. And then you have to ignore that. And then you have to do this. Which spot do you want to have? So yeah, that takes a lot of work, guys. If I were you, will not do this again. And if I were you guys, I'll do this, but I'll just take a break because I never took a break. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.